Most people work hard all their lives, yet struggle with money. They blame salary. They blame the economy. They blame luck. But Robert Kiyosaki says, the real problem is not money. The problem is how we think about money. Today, we explore Robert Kiyosaki's most powerful quotes and the lessons behind them. Schools teach you how to work for money, but they don't teach you how money works. From childhood, we are taught, study hard, get a job, earn a salary. But no one teaches us assets, liabilities, cash flow. Kiyosaki believes this is why smart people struggle financially. Hard work without financial education keeps people busy, not rich. The fear of being different prevents most people from seeking new ways to solve their problems. Most people stay in jobs they hate because they fear insecurity. They choose comfort over growth, safety over freedom. Kiyosaki teaches that fear controls money decisions, not intelligence. Financial freedom begins when fear stops making decisions for you. The rich don't work for money. Money works for them. This quote shocks people. But it doesn't mean the rich don't work. It means they build systems, assets that generate income, businesses that run without constant effort. The poor and middle class trade time for money. The rich trade ideas for income. Winners are not afraid of losing, but losers are. Kiyosaki failed many times. Businesses collapsed. Money was lost. But failure taught him lessons that success never could. Most people avoid risk. The rich learn to manage it. Failure is not the enemy. Ignorance is. If you want to be rich, you need to be financially literate. Being busy is not the same as being productive. Many people work overtime, but never move forward. Kiyosaki says, it's not about earning more. It's about learning more. Learning how money flows changes everything. You're only poor if you give up. This quote isn't about money alone. It's about mindset. Blaming the system keeps you stuck. Taking responsibility sets you free. We all start at different places, but staying stuck is a choice. Robert Kiyosaki's message is simple. Don't work harder. Work smarter. Learn how money works. Take responsibility. Think differently. Because wealth is not built in banks. It is built in the mind. If this video changed how you think about money, like it, share it, and subscribe for more life-changing lessons.